Welcome back to Kitchen Sink Diaries, where I don't really cook, I just put things in a pot and hope for the best. I don't measure anything. If it looks good, it goes in. The thing is, it's really hard to mess up soup. If it's too thick, add water. If it's too thin, add stuff. Most of us don't really know how to cook, and following a full recipe can feel overwhelming, so I just throw together flavors that make sense and call it a day. Then I freeze the rest. It turns into about 4 or 5 dinners. So when I'm tired or don't feel like cooking, I don't reach for takeout, I just warm this up. That simple convenience makes such a big difference. I'm giving this an 8 out of 10 because for something with no real recipe and no instructions, it came out pretty good.